3, we are going to be using the draw inside mode to begin adding shapes into your different parts of your letters. I have a few here: tiger stripes, polka dots, lightning bolt, and a jagged kind of shape. You can find more off Google, if you want to do zebra stripes or zebra pattern. Uh, do a Google search, and I will show you here how to vector and to use those patterns. So let's go ahead and start with our tiger stripes here. So once you've downloaded it, I recommend putting them into their own folder here. You will drag and drop it here. I would bring it kind of over to the side. And let's keep these on their own layer. So I'm going to hit Command X and create a new layer here. I'm going to name these patterns. And I'll place it back and make it larger. Hold my Alt or Option button and with Shift to make it bigger. And then with it selected, right, because this is a JPEG image, you notice if I zoom in, you see all the pixels. We want to make it into a vector. So up here where it says image trace, don't just click on it. Go to the little tick button and just click on 3 colors. And boom, there it goes. It automatically did it. Now it is a vector that we can use. And all you're going to be doing for this is copy it. Let's go ahead and get our polka dots in here as well before we move on. Polka dot. I'm going to go ahead and change the color of this one as well. So again, click on it, image trace, do 3 colors. This one we're going to have to mess around with. You see how the dots are kind of jagged. So we are going to need to go to Window and get our image trace panel out. Wherever it is. There it is. And go to Advanced and bring paths all the way down. Make sure your preview button is clicked. Let's bring corners down as well. And maybe paths a little bit more. Trying to get better circles pretty much. Stick with 2 colors. Click on Simplify. There we go. Now we got the circles that we want. Zoom back out. And let's go ahead and go to Expand. And then I should be able to change the color of this. So that's not what we want. Let's try double clicking and going, and now, all right, we're going to have to ungroup. So Object and Ungroup until you don't see that Ungroup option available anymore. And then just click on your black. And now you can change that color. So I think I'll change it to, there we go, blue. And then if you want, I would select everything again and just go back to group. All right, so we got 2 things to work with here. I'm going to put this tiger stripes onto my D here. So click on the D. Oh, sorry, first thing, click on your tiger stripes, copy it, Command C. Then click on your D, come over here into your toolbar where it says Draw Inside Mode. Click on that, and then Command V to paste it in there. And make it smaller by holding your Alt or Option with Shift. And bring it down in size so you can actually see those. And then just come back over to your toolbar here and click on Draw Normal. Now we'll do the same thing. I'll copy my polka dots. And maybe let's put it on this one. Draw inside, copy, make it much smaller. Shift, Alt or Option. Make it small. And then go back to my toolbar, go to normal, and I'll throw it on this one as well. Draw in side mode, paste, make it smaller. And then I think maybe on the T, what I'll do, I'll go to draw in side mode. I'll press Shift or B for my blob brush. Let's do, I don't know, let's just do black for now. And just draw some of these. Draw something in there. I'll go with white. There we go. Back to normal. Okay, so, you know, I'm going to overdo it. So, for instance, this one is kind of where I stopped with this. Some polka dots there, and then that right. And just the blob brush on the D right there. I actually don't like that. So if you don't like it, just double click on it and then delete it. So I think I'll do something else into that T. All right, so for the rest of this checkpoint, you're creating your designs here with whatever it is you pick and your blob brush tool on all of your letters or all of your words here.